these niggas talking shit, but they don't wanna see these G's and my niggas from the hood. They don't stress, y'all roll through the hood. Y'all niggas get left, cause I'm a hustler, man. I do whatever I can. I almost said too much, man. But I'm gonna tell you what, if you know me how I am, I'm getting money every type of lick or a scam. Y'all niggas talking shit, but y'all don't really want it. Believe it, y'all don't really want it. I come through a nigga, pull up and honk on it. Tell you come outside, tell your kids to watch him. Cause I got the real shit, baby. And niggas talking shit, but I'ma leave them where they laying. I ain't playing, but I hope you think I'm playing, so I can show up, nigga, with the cannon and get the blamming. I'm taking your safe, and that's the man. And I'm demanding. You can call me on the weekend for a movement. They talking shit, but nigga, I believe what I'm be doing more than the average. Cause nigga, I'm a savage kid. Nigga, I'm a savage adult. Nigga, what the fuck you thought? I'm still a G though. Y'all niggas wanna see me, but I never been a bitch. Now, times out of 10, I've been a hero. For those 0 niggas that the bitches lean on. How you feel me though, bitch? Well, that's how we go. Way back like 4 Flash in a Cadillac. Niggas disrespecting the game, and we gon' show you how we act. We knocking niggas off that shit again. Disrespectful niggas see me in the wind, I'm sitting in. On these cats, real talk, I'm sitting in. I should ride around with Charmin in my passenger seat, so when I ride by you, the bus stop, I can tell you to wipe the shit off your face as I ride by. Nigga, that's just a ride by. A ride by, however you wanna call it, I. Yeah, it's nothing.